introduce you super summer food. Summer, it is hot. We don't want massive heavy food. We want light and fresh and sour and sweet, something really fresh food. So today I'm gonna introduce you something very cold, nice noodle dish. Let's see the ingredients. We need a noodle. You can use egg noodle or just flour ordinary noodle. But today I'm gonna use egg noodle. Yay! So we need to boil this lady. Cook. It only takes 4 minutes to 5 minutes. So if you want boiled egg on the top, which is nicer, you can go and prepare that as well. So we need to chop the red pepper first. It depends on how much you would like to eat. Cut really thin. Okie dokie. Then we need to chop spring onion. Hello! Cut the hairy ass, bottoms. And chop really small like an ant. Okie dokie. Now it is spicy time. You need to care for this onion. I prepare only half onion. It is optional. Cut really thin. Super thin, and I didn't cry. Righto, then let's mix them with the special sauce. Righto, this sauce is super easy to make. Normally we make with mainly with gochujang sauce, which is chili paste in Korean, but I'm sure you can't prepare this at the moment. So I prepared lots of alternative ingredients. So let's follow my recipe. Okie dokie. You need to put 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okie dokie. And then 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. And 1 small tiny honey. Chili, sweet chili sauce is already sweet, so you don't need to put lots of this, only little, to make you happy. And then we need Dijon Mustard, 1 tablespoon. Smash your nose. Okie dokie. And this chili powder, small teaspoon. But if you like it, or put more if you like spicy food. And my beautiful sesame oil, half tablespoon. And apple cider vinegar, but you can use just ordinary vinegar, and any vinegar is fine. And if you don't like vinegar, you can use lemon juice as well. 2 tablespoons. Righto. Now you need to mix. Spoon rich. Righto. Let's try. Just like summer taste. So shall we add vegetable in it? Onion. And I'm gonna put only half spring onion I cut. And rest of them we can use for decoration and garnish later. And righto, sauce is ready. Done! Noodle is cooked. Now you need to go and wash in running cold water till the noodle go really cold. Yeah! Look, I washed the noodle in very cold water. It is colder than snowman. Okie dokie. Now we need to mix it with the special sauce. But before that, make sure you need to drain this enough. Righto, let's go! And then mix with long chopstick, grandpa chopstick, like this. Oh, you know what? Even you can put ice cube in it. And then mix. Righto, it is ready. I prepare million fresh salad. And then pepper, red pepper. Pretty. And then noodle. Put in the noodle. Look. Well done. And some ice. And then I prepared boiled egg, so you can cut boiled egg half. Beauty. And then decorate like this. Superboard Leon, do you want egg?
Yeah.
Okie dokie, egg party. Pretty. And then you can add sesame seed if you like. And then we left some of spring onion. Pretty. And then a slice of lemon on the top. So it is fini, super easy. And I would like to eat this lovely summer dish in tropical island. Shall we go? Here we are.
In beautiful tropical island.
It's very hot. We need some food.
It is very hot.
Shall we try our noodle?
Is it cold noodle?
It is very cold noodle.
Incredible.
Okie dokie. I will feed you. Okie dokie. So much taste.
Wow. That's beautiful and refreshing.
It is. Thank you for watching Bom Carrot cooking show. I hope you enjoyed cold noodle. Why not?
See you.
Click like, subscribe.
all that